nibwate course ya mechanical and automotive engineering asiba kugeri automotive engineering, refrigeration and air conditioning, welding and fabrication na Obaigw nkugeri bale plumbing, masonry, building technology, civil engineering ase ensema ya computing and informatics nkugeri bale ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na Obaigw na network.
Maraba vingi na ndo mwancho murigirio Getembe TV. Karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabona maragova litukeriga ria Alhamisi chitariki 20 na AM nchenkro kwa Matildah Obaigw yaboke korwa sensemo yebe manyererio nane kirongo chaka Ekeonga murai wense ya Kenya muske William Ruto nikubono anyari kubagikiria egati ya barai anamuno korwa sensemo kwa mereria serikali bali barorekanire kubwatoka na Obaigw kugendereria siasa chire echo kubagana ba Kenya ase mangana yobogesaku kaukwana korwa ase county ya Mombasa mugasolero Obaigw nigagikire gekorwa kimusubatio yo mumoteri manyikanete na Rachel Owandetu oitwa hoika ogokwa asengencho ya okotegwa gose asengencho yebirengereri bya na Obaigw amaroraye agesiasa engana tebiri buna utukimbora cyo korwa senchera yobwango muno na satebiri buna siasa buna chunchi wancherwa ime yense ya Kenya.
For those of you who are visionless, the people who are agendaless, the people who have no vision for our nation, the people who have no plan for our nation, the people who have no agenda for our nation, you will not divide our nation using ethnicity. You will not divide our nation using hate. Hiyo mnafanya, the hate you are spewing. I want to tell you, one day you will answer for the tribalism you are perpetuating in Kenya, for the hate you are perpetuating in Kenya. The life of Rachel Wandeto will not go unanswered. You who call others traitors, you mwenye mnawaita wa Kenya wengine wasaliti, mpaka mama Rachel Wandeto amewawa kwa sababu ya chuki yenu, kwa sababu ya ukabila yenu, kwa sababu ya profiling ambayo mmefanya wa Kenya wengine eti ni wasaliti. Siku moja mutajibu, na Kenya hii hatuwezi kukubali, hatuwezi kuwaruhusu mtuuzie ukabila, mtuuzie chuki, mtuuzie blackmail. We are telling you, we will not allow you to blackmail anybody in Kenya. You will not blackmail our nation using ethnicity. You will not blackmail our nation using hate. You will not profile citizens as traitors because they don't believe in your tribal bigotry. We are going to stand together as a nation, and one day you will answer for what you are doing. Our nation will not go forward. Our nation will not go backwards. Our nation will move forward with unity, because we are one nation, one people with a common destiny, and Kenya is going to move forward. Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Kenya tuendelee ama tuendelee? Hebu ni wale wanasema tuendelee jameni. Wa Kenya hoye! Ati Mombasa mnasemaje? Ati Mombasa mnasemaje?
Na homo konye umurai wense moske kithure kindiki na homo nogeri bwe bungeri ye senate moske Amason Kingi negati ya baraibana na wono mawaziri oteneta mangana ye chigosore boiga mangana ya basahe moske Salim Vuria na baraibana kura sorgongo ro Coast Kenya nigopanya ari kumwakiro murai wense buya soko mukige tambukiro yo kweneke buna obwasio ku na boigo bwango bwanyale kweneke wa asemero beli yo kwenanwa wechi namba chichindemero anomodo ase orogongoro nigo obatebruna titaito did nigo chiabere chi koleto muchando asemi yake menge ase chinsemo igati yabo county buna eyo ya Mombasa nekiro bono banyare waka biana gotamuna ikone gitambukiro kiranyare gokonya bamenyi kwegendereria na boigo gukora obukurumi ase amungana y'Getembe.
On the promises you made to the people of the coast for abolishing vetting on identity cards that was discriminatory, for returning the operations of the Port of Mombasa to Mombasa, for making sure that the coast is part of the development program of our country. And today we are here not to ask the land question, but to provide the land answer and the land solution.
Program kama hii Rais wa kwanza wa Kenya alianzisha. Ilikuwa inaitwa the Post Independence Land Redistribution. Lakini cha kushangaza ni kwamba pwani katika mpangilio ule iliachwa nje. Mzee Kenyatta badala yeye ajumuishe mashamba ya pwani, he only took 1 million acre na zote zikawa katika upande wa the White Highlands. Hii nchi hii ya Kenya ilipatiwa mkopo na nchi ya Britain pamoja na bank ya ulimwengu, World Bank. Mkopo wa kununua mashamba ili wapwani wa Kenya wote wapatiwe nini? Mashamba. Lakini mkopo ule rais ulitumika kununua mashamba kwa sehemu moja peke yake, the White Highlands only.
Mkoa huu tumekuwa na mabepari ambao kwa ardhi hawako, title wako nazo. Siku ya leo Mheshimiwa Rais, wananchi hawa wa pwani sasa historia na jibu ya mashamba umewaletea.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Kisii Paul Simbarati niganyari gukwanira amangana yokwaneke buna umuchi obusongo onyare kuraba use obachanu wanyare kwaneke wa ase umuchi obusongo aiga nigo akoyasanga use akoyakwana chinga kyale gusanga na bamenyi na boigo abonchoreria watani ao korwa ase Chinsa mochi ya ATC me yomuchi obusongo anomono kirabono anyare kurare buna chi dustbin nchibekwe asubo gatagati umuchi oiga kwaneke buna ubiteri korutwa Chinsemo ao gose Chinsinyo chonsi chiumuchi omonene.
Ndiposa nikaamua kwamba wacha watu wote wakuje kutoka Kisii Town, niwaelezee, tukubaliane vile tutakavyoenda mbele pamoja, kwa sababu pesa nyingi zinakuja. Tunataka tutengeneze town yetu hapa, Mungu akipenda tuone kama we can be at the state ya kuwa a city.
More chibinge moroje botuga echire chikala isato nerere green nerere blue nerere black esida tubwate neringe gote ko burukana bono gichiko gyachire egote takere gocha kere separated ejinde enyare yego nyara korosio obwoyebe egorosia ebe recyclable ibintu binde na plastic binyare kana ya green yekobe kwegoto eje konyara kugunda era rosigwe obwoyere biodegradable una amato ko masaba ari mwa abusire na bako akubekuga eyega yekobekwa egotegere dry era nyare ko ba recycled na plastic amasakara chichuba chinje njiro cha glass ne chinde che plastic uno chikobekuga neyega ekobeku general waste na wono ranyoro bose ne simi yawe yasaka sigi sasi yesimi obekega ono ndubwate byombe byarosigu bigo chikotemra mangana yegoto kere town bosongo gaige municipality ogembo ne chiaban ere Jones oise ko chakonyore kananga turiko kwati machika atu atebire okobeke goto kere separated abwese okorere biashara ebe ne duka ebe nase chiro igo ebe machiko daro police netu arosiri igo gwako fine usobwa atwe amachika mako.
Kwa hivyo tumeamua kivyovyote vile uchafu tena hautaonekana katika street zetu hapa. Tunaweka skips 57 na skip loaders 5, zile gari za kubeba uchafu inakuja na hiyo trailer ndio inaitwa skip, inawacha hapo ikiwa empty, inabeba uchafu inaenda, ikijaa inakuja inarudisha ile iko empty, inabeba uchafu. Hakuna uchafu sasa kama pale Nyanjo mahali napita naona uchafu iko kwa barabara, haitakuwepo.
Mo MCA we wodi haichuni muske Wycliffe Siocha ni kubono anyarire koralia abene na nigo ale asensemo yokumusira Dr. Fred Matiang'i ase esabari yaye yokurigia ekirgo kyuburai ibwense na chinga kicho nigo anyarire koiranana gose asate birumna nigo agusaba kwabira anomono ase ogosira umuswado olenge bokumwaka isiko mukonyi wo mugavana we county ya Kisii omokoro omuske Dr. Robert Onsare Monda nechinga kicho nigaburi una mugusi nerebuya anyara gukwana neryo gerimo ase chinga kichiga kero siasa egende tukoleta libirira tinyinge
abo mugusiyo ite 20 PS twabetanga bono tigato sibere bodire na ande to soke nduri kokos because 20 no to ibere gusiga iga no to kinete gusiga iga tiga 20 bono tobera maga ya umugako ko ngana Fred Okenga Matiang'i na ande gatumurwane sese yergo chimutuga iga yokorigia ekirgo kya ekyo president nje na ataba tinde gutumeka mono gwetani iga nga because era Matiang'i ari gocha intwara denga ene Matiang'i tai kabosongo nje na atebere tinta betu gutumeka enemo anengo te mwaka Matiang'i ngambi ya mono esengenjo ekere na motenga na tumekire bobena je nite kwera nanga mwaka Matiang'i ya ndete ngomwana one inchu ande tukaikaransa nere tukagamba kambe gere ko bia murochere mutuga Monda just committed one sin and you know because I know all of you followed the proceedings of his impeachment right from the Kisii County Assembly all the way to the Senate. The reason as to why I regret this is why could we send Monda home by just committing one sin, and yet we have someone in office who has committed multiple sins? It seemingly looks like we were being used. Na whenever kunga teberenga aseketabu gisa nga inchu tukwane ose come we reason together ngebe bia gona bibalire bibe kuna manyinka awo bikwabe na ande bisibu bibe kuna maganaria yembura na atabanga nyege donkaro kende yons pingo sereto mugusi njerende yani mugusi gosenko sereto munyaribali njerende yons ninde tayare kotebanga ngabere aninde tayare na njogo sabu kwa birukuru asabantu baitu nche na aretere tu site na ninde tekaro montande no mugusi andonsi asara ategerama nganaye nche na aretere tu site nga amakoso nakatendo kiek na are iga akorekanete nche ngatume ko site buli na aretere tu nga program yani nga kore impeachment na korete ase county yetu ya Gusiga omwana oli orweto site bono ahano ekisungu mukutikire anybody who does not agree they must look, even if it's either to set you on a trap or not, they must look a mistake for you so that they can be able to send you home. How can we watch as the governor goes around the country spewing foul insults to Matiang'i? He even organized goons to fight Matiang'i during his recent political rally in the region, and then goes on to say he will support him once he has been given the ticket. Why not help him clinch the ticket?
Murigire habononda kore Ekeonga sinjira yobwenge Chinsa ikomicha wono marugoba kolende nogende konyora ayenda mange asinjira ire yabene injira engikiranu kigema kikoraga Chinsa ibere cyarero marugoba kurugo Matildah Obaigw na veni nyaboke kuro asevi manyario kukonyolia gendera koba nento ase umutana olio YouTube subscribe go chase YouTube channel ya Getembe TV na Obaigw ali Chinsa mocha Facebook nyarago follow Getembe TV na kurase studio kabere nere Kevin Ngeri yenda utwara oboligirire obi anamono ase ensemo erevosio ase umurobelio oburukania